So in this example, we're going to talk about speech recognition, where you're able to talk to the phone, and the phone then allows you to convert whatever it is that you said into text. So if you're like driving and you want to text someone, right, you can use speech recognition and it will text someone that specific thing that you've said. All right, so speech recognition software is getting a lot better, where it's able to better understand what you're saying. It's not perfect. There are problems that happen all the time in speech recognition software. There's so many different accents, or the way that people say things. People always say that I have a Baltimore accent, the way I say my O's, uh, and a few other things. But it's important to use speech recognition in several cases. One being like if you're operating a vehicle, or if you're on the go and you just don't want to actually type something out. So in this column, we have a few components. Like I said, this is my column, my speech recognition column that just contains all the components in here. I have a label just saying speech recognition. I have a speak button that I actually am using, that when I click the speak button, I'm able to start talking. And then I have a label. You can't see it, um, but I have a speech output label that's underneath this button, that as I start talking, it will fill in that label, whatever I say. Now, do know that in this speech recognition software, you don't have like a beep before it starts and a beep that closes it. So as soon as you click the button, start talking. You can always add different features, different sounds in there to make it show like a start noise and end noise to when you're supposed to be speaking. But I didn't add one in here just for time's sake, right? So what you need to do is you need to add the component speech recognizer, which is an invisible component. You drag that over there. See, I have one already, speech recognizer. Go into the blocks, and we're going to scroll down. Don't worry about all those other blocks. We're going to look at the speak button. Okay, so in speech recognizer 1, I click on that and drag in speech recognizer 1, call listen with partial result. If I were to change that to listen, that actually waits until I'm done talking before it actually presents what I said. Listen with partial result allows the app to, as I'm talking, before I'm finished, continue to type out what I say. So that way I'm not waiting till the very end to actually present what I've said. I can see as I'm talking what I'm saying. All right, so to listen, and then at the very end it says then do from speech recognition label. Okay, that's the label that was blank, that was beneath the button. Set text to, and you drag this partial result, you drag it in, you drop it right in right there. Right, I already did that, so I'm not going to do it again. But that's how you would use it. And then as you're talking, like I said, if you click speak and you start talking, it should show up in a label that's beneath this button right here. And that's how you would use the speech recognition component.